Circuit Court. This is Heather.
Yes, I'm trying to find out about some cause numbers that were sent to um, Pulaski Circuit 1 for acceptance for a special judge.
Okay, and are you a party to the case?
I am.
Okay, and what's your name?
My name is Christopher.
What's your last name, Christopher?
Oh, Throgmorton. Throgmorton.
And this is a Circuit Court case?
They were most recently in LaPorte Superior Court 1. They were sent to, I believe, Porter Circuit, where Judge Bradford declined acceptance, and then they were sent to Pulaski County about 3 weeks ago.
Okay, so this is a special judge case.
Yes, the clerk's office is requesting a special judge.
Okay. Do you have a cause number?
Um,
Or has been given a cause number from our court yet?
no, they're I'm not to the understand. From what I can tell on the docket, there's no reflection whether you guys have accepted it, so it still has. I have 3 separate cause numbers that have been sent there for a special judge altogether. They all have a 46 DO1 cause number still, from what I can tell. Um, the last entry is on January 10th, where they were sent to Pulaski Circuit, but from what I can tell, it doesn't look like you guys have accepted them.
Sure. Okay. Can you spell your last name one more time, please? I'm sorry.
Sure. Would you rather have the cause numbers or?
Well, I don't have access myself to outside of our circuit court, so I'm not
Okay.
going to be able to look them up anyway. Our administrator is out today. But if I can get your last name one more time, I will see if I can find it that way.
All right.
First.
T is in Thomas.
Okay.
HROG is in grandmother, and then Morton, like the salt.
Morton. Okay. All right. Let me see here. There's no records found. Shoot. And you said it was originally a LaPorte and sent to Porter, and then Porter declined and sent it to Pulaski, correct?
Yeah. It was sent to Porter County. Um, November 6th. And apparently, Judge Bradford declined acceptance due to health reasons. He was going to be out of the office for like 4 to 6 weeks. So he declined acceptance, I think, November 14th. Apparently, it was, I don't know. Nobody can really explain it to me, but the Porter Superior Court
Declined it
1,
as well. Yeah.
their office refuses acceptance. They say that they sent a copy of this order to the clerk's office on, I'm thinking November 23rd, it's looking like, but it wasn't actually entered on the docket until January 10th, almost 2 months after it was signed. I never received a copy. The prosecutor's office in Stark County never received a copy. Judge Bergerson's Court Superior 1 claimed they never received a copy. So this went about 2 months with no activity while this court order was apparently sitting on one of 2 clerks' offices' desk. And then they sent it to it. Yeah.
Okay.
I never actually had the chance to respond to Judge Bradford's, declining appointment. It just went right to Pulaski.
Right. Sure.
And
So, okay. And what kind of cases are they?
they are 3 misdemeanor cases.
Oh, 3 misdemeanors. For yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
No? Okay. let me go check. Like I said, my administrator's out, and she typically handles these. But let me go see if I can find maybe the start of a file,
Yeah, I
and I'll get back
mean,
to you in just a minute.
I'm I'm assuming if the judge is there, maybe she would know if she's accepting these three cases or not.
Right.
But
Yeah. It's lunch here right now too, though. But I will actually. Can I just take down your number, and I'll give you a call back in just a little bit?
um, I got a couple minutes to hold, to be honest. No offense, but these cause numbers are from like the summer of 2018. Um, in my opinion, no judge really wants to address the police and prosecutorial misconduct on these cases. So I've went through all five judges in my county as recusals. One in Porter County. I'm just sort of trying to figure out if, you know, if this judge is recusing. I would like certification of the Supreme Court. As I said, the Judge Bradford declining the appointment and it being sent to Pulaski Circuit went on the docket on the same day, so I didn't have a chance to respond to that. But I would like to respond to being on judge number 7 in a criminal matter sometime. So,
Right. Okay. Well, just hang on 1 second, please.
yep, thank you.
Thank you. Christopher?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm just letting you know, we received the filings on January 10th, and the judge has 30 days to decide whether she'll take on the case or not. And to further find out information, you would still have to contact, I think it's LaPorte County, who it originated from. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay. So you would contact them until that 30 days is up to find out where, if she's, recusing it or if she's taking it on.
All right, so I'd like to know how to expedite this because I'd like to file a complaint against the LaPorte County Clerk's office, and right now I don't have a judge to do that.
Well, we can't give you legal advice. You'd have to consult
No,
with
no,
an
no, no, no.
attorney.
I don't want legal advice. All I need is a judge, and I'd like to expedite this. So I understand that ordinarily they have 30 days. However, as I said, the previous judge recused, and it sat on a clerk's office or a clerk's office desk for about 2 months, and I'd like to file a complaint about that. So, is there a way to expedite this in the name of justice?
Is there a way to expedite it in the name of justice?
Yeah, because I mean, I'm pro se, and in accordance with, I believe it's Indiana Code 5-8-1-35, 38, something along this nature. Anyway, I'm able to petition the judge in my cause numbers to address, a clerk not fulfilling their duties. Right now, I don't have a judge, so I'm experiencing, you know, basically unconstitutional activity, and I don't have any remedy. So
Yes, and we cannot help you at this point. You would have to contact LaPorte County.
Right. So I got to contact the county clerk that my complaint's against, right?
Yes,
So
I know
even
it
this
sounds weird.
single remedy that I'm able to source is useless without a judge, right?
Well, because you don't have a judge at this point. You're in limbo still.
Yeah, I mean, that seems real convenient.
Um, so I guess there's an emergency. There's emergency something that you can contact in LaPorte, but
Emergency
if
something?
yes, if it's an emergency or something. Sorry.
Who should I contact?
You would still have to contact LaPorte.
Like the Laporte Department of Emergency somethings?
Yes, or I would contact an attorney.
Well, I don't really want to contact an attorney. It would seem to me that you know, I'm on attorney number 7 right now because a judge is essentially an attorney. They're not much help. Once you actually read my case file, you realize that you recuse as a judge. So I would like to go ahead and speed this up.
I understand you want to speed it up, but I mean it's still in limbo at this point, and she has 30 days to make a decision, and right now she has not made that decision.
Okay. And there's no way to take the entirety of the case into consideration. She needs that full 30 days?
I believe so, yes. She's entitled to that as well.
She is entitled to 30 days. You're absolutely right. However,
yes.
I, as a defendant in a criminal matter, am entitled to a whole bunch of things, which I'm trying to point out to you right now, which is why I need a judge to be expedited.
You need a judge to be expedited. Well, you'd have to call LaPorte County to get that done because we haven't accepted the case yet, and we can't help you in that matter.
All right, so can she accept it or not accept it so I can, move this along?
She has 30 days to...
Right, I understand she has 30 days.
But yes, and we are a busy court as well. It might be a small county, but we are very busy. So when I can put it in front of her again and put it back in the top of the review pile, but, she still has that 30 days.
Okay, so do you realize that this has been open for like a year and a half, and after like a year it would have been dismissed if I had a judge. Anyway, I understand what you're saying.
Yeah, so I apologize for...
No, don't apologize. You're doing your job. You're a very integral part of the system. Police rights, judges' rights, attorneys' rights. I keep talking about my rights. Anyway, that's why I'm on judge number 7.
And I can't give you legal advice.
No. I don't want your legal advice. I'm not asking you for legal advice. I'm asking, is there a circumstance where the judge wouldn't need to, draw out the entire 30 days just because she has it? Maybe that there's some sort of circumstances that overrules, her right to 30 days. Like,
if it's an emergency, yes.
Right. What would make it an emergency?
I can't give you that legal advice, sir. You'd have to...
I'm not asking for legal advice. I'm asking what's an emergency.
I don't know.
That's a broad word.
Yeah.
Like tornado?
Like I said, I cannot give you legal advice. You need to contact LaPorte County or an attorney. So the attorney can tell you what an emergency is, okay?
I highly doubt that. But anyway. So I guess I'll talk to you in 10 days then? So.
Roughly.
Okay.
Or you need to contact LaPorte. But as soon as we know, you will know as well.
I mean, can you maybe let me know specifically? I did just point out the fact that a judge sent an order to the LaPorte County Clerk's office, and it sat on her desk for about 2 months before it hit the docket.
What is your phone number, Christopher? And I will put that on the docket that after review.
There should be contact information in whatever case record was sent to you guys.
Okay. Well, then if it's not up to date, or since it is a 2-year-old case, I'm not sure if it's all the updated information or not.
Well, I hope the entire case isn't like that.
Well, I'm not saying it is, but if we don't have an updated phone number for you, we will not be able to contact you to let you know if it's been recused or not.
Well, my phone number is literally public record now because I'm pro se litigant. So.
Okay. Well, we don't look up people's phone numbers.
It's on the docket. That's what I'm saying. Is
Okay.
if you
Okay.
accept the case, it's
Long
on the
as-
docket. I mean, somebody should notify me without having my phone number. There is an entire
Okay.
process that outlines this,
Okay.
and you wouldn't necessarily call me about a court order per any of these things that guide this.
Sure.
I presume my address, my email, all the other information would work.
Okay. Sounds great.
Anyway, thank you.
Yep. Thank you. Have a good day.
Take all the time you need. I got nothing better to do. Anyway.
Okay. Have a good day, sir. Bye-bye.
Yep.